Alright, boom. So what's up, Golden Gang members? I am back with another video, so stay tuned. Okay, so first I'm going to start by using my Bobbi Brown moisturizer to moisturize my face. So I seen this trend on TikTok where everybody uses their setting powder to set first before they put their foundation on. So I decided I was going to try it out today. Okay, so I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee to put that all over my lids. Now I'm taking setting powder to set all over my lids. Okay, so I'm using these two palettes today. I will link them in the description. Okay, so for my first transition shade, I'm taking the shade Otta. For my second transition shade, I'm taking the shade Buzz. For my third and final transition shade, I'm going to take this cranberry shade out of the Ruby May palette. Now I'm taking the e.l.f. concealer in the shade medium beige to cut my crease. So in this clip, you're going to see me mess up. Even as a makeup artist, I mess up. But you're going to also see me go back and wipe it off and try and fix it. So in this part, I wiped the entire eye off because I just did not like the way that crease came out. It still didn't come out as perfect as I wanted it, but I just decided to just work with what came out. This is just me going back and cleaning up the concealer since I kind of went overboard with that shadow. Okay, so now on the crease, I'm going in with the shade Rainbow Chaser. I felt like this eye look needed a little bit more pizzazz, so I went ahead and took my highlighter and put that all over that same color that I just put on my crease. Now I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Maple. As y'all can see, I love this foundation. Y'all, this foundation is bomb. If y'all don't have it, go buy it. It is so bomb. Do y'all see how full coverage this is? Like, I'm literally not even putting on that much foundation. The only con that I have about this foundation is that I should have went a little bit darker on it because it does look a tad light for my face. I approve. I approve. Now to highlight, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Now to contour, I'm taking my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Rich Ebony. This is just me going back to fix my highlights since I kind of went overboard with that contour. Now I'm just taking my Mercier setting powder to go back and set the places that I highlighted. Now this is just me going in and contouring my nose. This is just me going back and fixing my nose contour because I went overboard with that highlighter. Now y'all know that I'm taking my favorite blush. I will link it in the description. Now I'm taking my highlighter in the shade Crystal Sand. It's by J Katz. Now I'm taking these lashes that I got from Amazon. I will link them in the description. Now I'm lining my lips with the shade Chestnut. If you are new to my channel, yes, I do use concealer as a matte lipstick. I'm also just taking some blush over there so that I could get a MAC pink shade, and I'm going to set with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Now I am taking this shimmer pink shade that I got from Kylie Cosmetics. I will link it in the description. Alright, and this is the finished look. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. I just want to say, make sure that you guys like, comment, and you subscribe to this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that y'all hit that bell to be notified that every time I post you get my videos. And also, I just want to say thank you for the support. Thank you for the major support that y'all have been giving me, and thank you for the few followers that I do have, because like I said, we're on the road to 100K, and that's my goal, and I'm sticking to it. Anyways, thank you guys. Peace out, gang.